Hi, I'm Ted Baker, CEO and Executive Director of the Muncie Innovation Connector, and I vaccinated for small businesses in our community.
I'm Jackie Hanneman, the Executive Director of the Ross Community Center, and I vaccinate for everybody in our community, for the little kids, for the adults, the older people, for my family, my 80-year-old mother, my husband, my children, everyone that we care about.
My name is Rachel Foster. I am the Education Coordinator here at the Ross Community Center. I get vaccinated for a healthier future.